Welcome to my vlog. Today we'll vlog with the vlog gang. Cut. You gonna say the vlog gang? Oh.
That's all I got.
Oh.
In the sense that...
like... Okay. It's Cam gang.
Hi.
Wait. Carrots. Carrots. Cucumber. Cucumber Darren. Okay. Cucumber Darren carrots. Carrots, cucumber Darren. TC. My dog did it wrong.
Call me Quinoa Cowboy.
Bands, 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 bands. Please take off your bands, bands, bands. What? At the Trader Joe's.
Anyways, I do a latte when I do it with the sugar-free vanilla, but then a little bit of lavender and lavender can make cold case. What does this say? Oh, trail. Cute.
Cute. Hi vlog. We're at the lake right now and we're about to just go sit around and do hobby stuff. I'm so excited because it's so pretty outside. It's really windy and it's kind of cold, but it's okay because I think it's gonna be really, really fun. Let me show you the view. It's so pretty outside. It's so pretty, but I'll keep you updated. Excited for the lake, Cece?
Yes! Howdy. No, you want it. You want me. No.
There's two. They're both looking at you.
Because they both want me.
There's three.
Yeah. Like turtles in there. Something my mom picked up like an elephant turtle.
Hi. Hello.
When we get freaky later, we can get into it.
Oh. Your hair kind of looks like the painting right now. She got a little guy.
He's gone.
Okay.